Please like and subscribe to the video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to watch till the end.
Keep your voices down. Ropes are ready. Be careful. The current is strong. Keep it steady. Watch the ropes. Move it forward, slow. Almost there. Secure the gate.
Workers load the hippo onto the truck and leave the jungle. The truck carrying the hippo heads toward the factory. The truck arrives at the factory and the security guard checks the truck.
Keep it coming. Slow down, slow down. Stop.
Now the workers unload the hippo's cage inside the factory. The worker gives food to the hippo to eat. The workers check the hippo's health in the processing hall.
The eye responsiveness is good. I'm checking the nostrils now.
The readings are stable, but let's check the joint flexibility on the other leg. Confirmed. No visible anomalies.
Responsiveness is good. Notes taken. Proceed to next check. Affirmative.
Now the workers gently wash the hippo in the washing hall. Now the hippo is taken to a secret room for a milk test. After the hippo's milk test is completed and approved, the next process begins.
The labels look good. Perfect cat.
Got it, watch your step. Nice and steady. Keep them coming. Got it. Watch that edge. Clear.
Wow, that's surprisingly good. Truly amazing taste.
Ah, Hippo milk. That's the one. Fresh. I'll take it.
I finally found it. Hippopotamus sweet milk. Look at that red label. I'm taking this home.
Check out this video. I just bought the real thing.
No way, is that hippo milk? Let me see, it looks so creamy.
Right? I have to try this.
Wow, that's amazing. This is delicious.